Hey there, welcome back to Crafting Cars. I'm Autumn, I'm Afton's older sister, and today we're going to be painting a mural on the Honda Civic hood. I've never painted a mural before, and I've never painted on a car before that I can remember. So this is kind of an exciting new challenge. I'm a little bit nervous, but also excited. We have everything that we need, and I'll show you the sketch that I'll be working from. So that's kind of the outline of the hood. And it includes a lot of Japanese imagery. That's what Afton wanted to kind of go with the whole JDM Civic thing. So let's get right into it.
Oh shit! Oh my god! That's why we paint matched it. You see why we paint matched it?
Yeah.
Holy shit!
Okay, so I'm finished with Afton's hood. Here is the finished product, and he is about to come down and see it for the first time finished. Afton, come on down. Here goes that close. Alright, you can look.
Holy shit! That's cool.
You like it?
Look at the style. Holy shit. Sheesh, that's gnarly.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it. That's awesome. I like good with the waves too, the different colors in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you.
Everything I could always dream of.
Oh
yeah, that's gonna pop. It's cool because it's kind of like the style. It's like the line art style. It's cool.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. It's clean.
That's right.
Simple.
Yep.
Shit. Oh my god! That's why we paint matched it. You see why we paint matched it?
Yeah.
Holy shit! Eric, come check this out. Alright, well there you have it guys. We got the finished product mounted on the car, and honestly, I couldn't be happier. Autumn did an amazing job. This is really good craftsmanship right here, and I love how the colors of the hood play perfectly with the matching colors of the engine bay. So yeah, I'm a huge fan, and hopefully at the meet tomorrow this will attract a lot of attention because yeah, I can't stop looking at it. So
well, thanks for watching, and remember to smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give us a like, comment down below, and we'll see you next week.